All right, for question 412, we're being asked to solve the system of equations using a matrix. So we have 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus 2y equals 6. You want to make sure that these equations are in the x, y equals something form because that's going to correspond to the columns of our matrix. So we've got 2 is the coefficient for the x, 1 is the coefficient for the y, and 7 is what that equals. So here's our augmented matrix. And the next one is 1, negative 2, and 6. So what we want to do from here is we want to turn this into a row echelon form by using Gaussian elimination. So we want to just kind of manipulate these rows until we can narrow it down to a 1, a 0, and a 1. The rest of it doesn't really matter as long as we can start to narrow down those. And if it was a three piece matrix, then you'd have another 1 down here and zeros here. But in this case, it's just a 2 by 2 or 2 by 3 augmented matrix. So let's go ahead and figure out how to solve this. Right here, we've already got the 1. So let's switch rows. Row 1 and row 2 are going to become switched. So we'll have 1, negative 2, and 6, and 2, 1, and 7. Now what we want to do is figure out how we can manipulate this so that it becomes a 0. So let's take row 2 minus 2 times row 1. So that's going to leave us with 1, negative 2, and a 6 here. And we're going to do 2 minus 2 times 1. So that's going to be 0. And then we want 1 minus 2 times negative 2. So that's going to be 1 plus 4, or it's going to be 5. And then we have 7 minus 2 times 6. So 7 minus 12 is going to give us a negative 5. Now what we can do, we want to turn this into a 1. So let's take 1/5 times row 2. So we're going to copy down the first row. And this is going to give us 0, 1, and negative 1. Now we can rewrite this using our xy equals form. So we've got the first one is x minus 2y equals 6. And the second one is y equals negative 1. So now we can take this and plug it into this equation. So we've got x minus 2 times negative 1 equals 6, or x plus 2 equals 6, or x equals 4. So our solution is 4, negative 1.